Okay, today we're going to learn how to find the area of a garden shed. The word problem is Farmer Joe is having a new garden tool shed built. He wants the shed to be 20 square foot. We know that L, the length, is 5 foot. What would the measurement need to be for the width to have a 20 square foot barn? So we already know that our barn is 5 foot long. Sorry, 5 foot long. Let me get this. There we go. We know that it's 5 foot long. Now we got to figure out how tall it's going to be to equal 20 square foot. So you could divide your square, or your rectangle rather, into equal parts. I need this to be, don't mind my chicken scratch. Okay, so we count all the squares within our rectangle. We come up with we have 20 squares inside of our rectangle. So that means we have 1, 2, 3, 4 squares going up. So it would be 4 foot tall times 5 foot the length, which is 5 foot. So we would have 5 foot times 4 foot, which would equal 20 foot. 20 square foot. I wanted to change up my pen a little bit so that you can see a little better that it is 5 foot times 4 foot equals 20 square foot of our garden shed. Now I've noticed that a common misconception with some of my students is that they want to add the sides. So if we had 4 foot here, they would think that you add 5 plus 5 plus 4 plus 4, which would not equal the area. So that's one thing that I've noticed with my students. But we found that our barn needs to be 5 foot long and 4 foot high to get our area of 20 square feet.